truck again today because, well, we're headed to Costco, because who doesn't go to Costco with a truck? But anyway, it's a beautiful afternoon. I hope everybody's had a great week at work this week, headed into a great weekend. But gonna go pick up something at Costco. I just want to say thank you to you guys for the awesome response on the last video I did on the S8 last week. If you haven't seen it yet, go and check it out. I also updated all my shirts and hoodies on the e-store, added some new colors, and I also added some kid sizes. So if you guys want and you feel like supporting the channel and wearing a sweet Auto Detour shirt, go ahead and go and check those out. But let's head off to Costco. We're going to pick up some stuff for a little bit of fun this weekend. Check out that blacked out EcoBoost F-150. That thing looks pretty sweet. And right behind it we got the blacked out Z71. A couple of sweet trucks. So we're driving the truck today. What do you guys think I should do with the truck? I mean, I have some plans for it, but I want to hear what you guys would like to see done to the truck. And I think it's gonna be a fun project. It's a super clean old truck for a starting point, and leave a comment down below what you guys want to see done to it, because I'm excited to get going on some more truck content, get some of that going on the channel. But don't worry, the S8 isn't going anywhere. We'll keep doing S8 content, but give that some thought. I'll see you at Costco. We're here at Costco picking out some toys for this weekend, and we're picking up one of these bad boys. Something for the kids to play with. Should be a good time. Let's go see if they can load one up for us. There's something about this store that makes you want to buy everything. I gotta get out of here before I buy everything with this giant cart that I have.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, another successful Costco trip. If you're not a Costco member, sure, they have lots of really good deals, but the best deal of all, $1.50 hot dog and a soda. Probably the best deal on the planet. Here we go. One successful trip to Costco. Got the kids a lily pad to take out on the lake this weekend, and some other various goodies. But if you have stuck around for this video, God bless you, because not a lot happened today. But got to go for a drive in the truck, pick up some stuff. Since you stuck around, you get to watch me put a new sticker on the back of the truck. Oh no. Still with me? Melons. Alright, first things first, the Malibu boat sticker, it's gotta go. So, Eric, if you're watching this, you might want to look away for a minute or two. Alright, so we got the sticker off. I don't know if you can tell, but obviously left a pretty nasty bit of residue on there, so I'm gonna go grab my goof off, see if we can power through that, and then we'll get to putting this sticker on the back window there. Alright, so I know you can't see this, but this whole back window's got hard water spotting all over it, so I'm just gonna try to hit it with some lime away to cut through that, and then clean it up with some glass cleaner, and then go ahead and get that sticker on. I didn't want to put the sticker on over any hard water, just to have a nice clean glass surface to have it stick to. Alright, there we have it. It is official. The first Auto Detour decal on the truck. So these decals came from my buddy Ty down in Texas. I grew up with Ty back in Washington, and he started a vinyl cutting, wrapping, etc. business. So be sure to go check out Ty. His website is vinylty.com. I will put it in the description down below. Big thanks to Ty. If you guys need any custom graphics made, he is your guy. Anyway, make sure you go check out his website. We are soon to be offering Auto Detour decals, so be on the lookout for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next time.